Hey, what's happening, guys? DmilliZ here. Happy Sunday from Japan. I'm here chilling, taking a walk. Nice birdie fly by. So yeah, what's my financial goals for 2021, guys? Get healthy. Health is wealth, guys, right? So that's my financial goal for 2021. Yeah, of course I'm going to invest in crypto. Of course I might dabble in some stocks. Try and make some more cash flow, some more passive income, right? Of course. But first thing for me, guys, health. That's my number one right there. My health, man, because without that you ain't got shit, right? All right, guys, so today I want to talk to you about giving freely and not withholding, guys. So recently I've been trying to get into the habit of putting God first, yeah? And what that means to me is first thing in the morning when I wake up, I'm going to read a Bible verse, right? Now that plan hasn't been going too well because the price of the Bitcoin been going up, and I've been like, instead of the Bible verse, I'm looking at the coin market cap. What's the price of Bitcoin? Oh shit, right? But for the most part, guys, I've been trying to look at the Bible verses first thing in the morning. You know, get the vibe right, yeah? Get the vibration right first thing in the morning. So this week I saw a Bible verse. Those who give freely, even more will be given to them. And those who withhold, even the little that they have will be taken away. Now, guys, I am not a full-blown Christian. I do not go to church, but I consider myself spiritual. And these Bible verses came from people back in the days who experienced things that we keep on experiencing throughout time, right? So it makes sense to me, and I started to ponder it, and I say, yeah, you know that is true, and I believe in that, and I think I've been doing that. Now, giving in this sense, guys, could mean giving your time, giving your service, giving your money, right? Doesn't really have to be always about money, but it can be about, giving your time, giving your service, helping someone, making good energy flow, right? So, for the most part, I think I've been doing that. And I realize, even if it's not from the place where you put that service or that vibe or that time, it will come back to you in other ways, guys. Yeah, if you just don't withhold and herd. A lot of people like to herd, just herd their money, herd everything they have, and just make it stay stagnant, guys. No, man, you have to make abundance flow, right? So even recently, let's talk about on Hive, right? I've been tipping people, right? I tip people in the community now and then. Because to me, I'm like, all right, you know what? It's my community, I guess. To me, it's our community. But I just say, if a post is good, and I don't really want to send it to be curated, because it's like, oh, you don't want to spend too many posts to be curated. I like, let me tip this post. And actually, I can't get my post curated by OCD at this moment because some new rules came in, but even before that, I didn't feel comfortable with the vibe of sending my own post to be curated. So I just went with the flow, like, you know what, this is my community. I want people to post here. I want them to earn here and feel comfortable posting about reggae Caribbean content. If I don't earn, that's no problem. I want my account to be natural. If it gets voted naturally, big up votes, I'm good. If not, I'm good, because I'm putting out good energy, doing services, time, so some way, somehow, abundance will flow back to me, right? That's how I see it. I'm not saying like directly, I did this for you, you have to do this for me. I made this post, I need to get upvoted. No, that's not how I think, man. I think just do good, send out the good vibes, be of service, and abundance will find you. You know what I mean? So even recently on Hive, guys, I received 100 100 Hive from Adi Torrent, because some time ago I helped him to get YouTube subscribers on Twitter. He was saying, yeah, I just need this many more subs to be at 1,000 subscribers. And without thinking, I shared the post and said, hey, subscribe to this guy. He's good, he's a good content creator, a good vlogger. Just because I want to be of service. I'm looking at ways to add value to people, to be of service to people. And in this case, it directly came from the source. Torrent sent me 100 hive, right? But I did not do it for the hive. I did it because I want to be of service. I want to bring value to this dude I think is a great man. Yeah. So yeah, guys, try to be of service, you know. Try to not hoard what you have. Try to get it out there, guys. Because abundance flows, guys. Yeah, abundance flows to the source that makes it flow. You know what I mean? So you have to make that abundance flow through you. You know, don't hurt it, guys. Don't hurt it all. And now I'm not saying, hey, you know, come to me and I'll give you money. No, it's not like that. I'm just saying, yo, abundance flows, man. Abundance flows from the source. So if you are the source of abundance, you keep being the source. You know, you believe more will come to you. You keep on giving, keep on doing in terms of services, your time, money, whatever. You are a source of the flow of abundance. You know, more will be given on to you guys. Make sense? All right, I'm gonna take a walk, yo, and enjoy the weekend. Yo, man, I'm not a preacher, but yo, me is a spiritual teacher. Yeah? Bless up. DmilliZ, you know.